I don't trust insurance because they tell me I have to wait 2 years, 3 years before I can actually use my policy. Sounds familiar? We get it. And that's exactly what we're explaining in today's episode of Health Insurance 101. Waiting periods are one of the most important things to understand when buying a health plan, because they directly affect your ability to make claims. So if you're planning to buy insurance soon or already have one, this episode is definitely for you. Hello folks, you're watching Ditto Insurance and I'm Shashank. We're back with the 7th episode of our 26 episode series of Health Insurance 101, where we break down complex insurance concepts for you. You can access all the videos in the series by simply going to the playlist on the channel. They're short, to the point, and will help you make the best decision. Let's begin. By the way, if you're unsure about the waiting periods in your current plan or need help choosing a policy that fits your medical history and timeline, you can book a free call with our advisors at Ditto. The link is in the description and our services are completely free. Let's start with the basics. A waiting period is the duration during which a policyholder cannot claim certain benefits under a health insurance plan. It starts from the policy's inception date and is a standard clause in almost all insurance plans. Now, there are different types of waiting periods and each one has its own purpose. Let's break them down one by one. The first, initial waiting period. This is also called the cooling off period. It's typically 30 to 90 days from the day your policy begins. During this time, you can't raise claims for any illness unless it's due to an accident. Accidents are covered from day one. The reason for this waiting period is to prevent people from buying health insurance only when they suspect they'll need immediate treatment. Pre-existing diseases or PED waiting period. If you already have a medical condition like diabetes, asthma or hypertension at the time of buying your policy, then treatments related to that condition will only be covered after a certain waiting period. This typically ranges from 1 year to 3 years, depending on the insurer. Some insurers also offer riders to reduce the waiting periods by paying extra premium. At Ditto, we always recommend that you clearly declare your health history while buying insurance. Disclose everything and provide relevant reports. If not, your claim could be rejected or your policy could be cancelled when you need it the most. Specific diseases or procedure, also known as slow growing illness waiting period. Certain conditions like cataracts, hernia, knee replacements, and kidney stones have their own waiting periods. Even if you don't have these conditions at the time of buying the policy, insurers may still impose a 1 to 2 year wait before covering them. This ensures the policy isn't used for pre-planned treatments right after the purchase. Maternity and newborn coverage waiting period. If your plan includes maternity benefits, there's usually a waiting period of 9 months to 4 years before you can make a claim. So if you're planning to start a family, it's best to plan your health insurance accordingly and well in advance. Now, you might ask, Ditto, why are waiting periods even necessary? Now, waiting periods exist to prevent misuse of insurance, protect insurers from sudden high-cost claims, maintain fair pricing across healthy and high-risk individuals, encourage long-term policy ownership instead of short-term opportunism, and think of it like this. Insurance is a pool where everyone contributes a small amount so that the few who need help can be supported. Waiting periods help keep that pool sustainable for the long term. In the next episode, we'll break down one of the most misunderstood terms in health insurance, pre-existing diseases. What qualifies, how it's declared, and what it means for your coverage. If you want help understanding your current waiting periods or choosing a policy that fits your timeline, book a free call with Ditto. Our advisors are here to help you with no spam or sales pressure. The link is in the description. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and support our goal of making India insurance aware. See you in the next episode. Until then, happy insurance hunting.